Well, this is Royal Crown Derby porcelain made in 1968. The pattern is Brittany. From memory, I think it's A1229. Just have a look at the factory mark. Actually, this is early piece, so it isn't actually marked with a Brittany number on it. But there's the nice 1968 XXXI Royal Crown Derby Ormston Road marks. It's in absolutely mint fine condition, this. Just over 8.5 inches. It's sort of quite difficult to measure because the upper and lower rim or base plate diameter is very much narrower than the overall diameter, which sort of bulges out. Beautifully decorated. We're estimating it around 8.5 inch, 9.5 inch between the handles, and with the lid in place we're looking at just over 6 inches in total height. Beautiful moulding and decorated handles, as you can see. Lovely decoration here, picked up by the gilders from Royal Crown Derby. And Brittany's this lovely pink and red, sort of a little tinge of green, and then the gilt and the mouldings just really pop, doesn't it? And this is one of the earliest pieces. They made it from 67 through to, I think, was it 1980? So we've got some pieces on catalogue that sort of stem the whole period of production, actually, but this is one of the earlier pieces, and to find it in such good condition and still available for sale here is really unusual. So if you've got Brittany, it wasn't cheap when it was produced, it isn't cheap or easy to find now on the replacement market. I think this is the only Tureen with lid in this type of condition that we've found doing historic image searches that have made its way to the international markets. This is available for sale from Vintage and Antiques here in the UK. We ship internationally, so if you're watching this, I think the Brittany that we have sold before this next lot went on catalogue went to the United States, and I fully expect this piece to do some travelling before it finds its next home. Thanks for watching.